Here's a great hitting drill for you for teaching kids to throw their hands, keeping their body back so their body doesn't go forward. A great hitting drill is you put a ball on a tee, and this tee, this is a low ball tee, it doesn't have an extender on it, but we could put the ball here, you can move it up, you can have various heights. And what you do is you have the coach or a player, and this is a good station drill while you're doing hitting. You can do this, hit balls into the fence, you get some bad balls and just put them on the tee and hit them in the fence. You'll have the one player put the ball on the tee, and the other player gets in his stance, and he says, the player puts the ball on the tee and says, hit. And what the hitter has to do is get the bat to the ball as quickly as possible. Now that sounds, oh yeah, that's easy. Gets the bat to the ball as quickly as possible. But what you'll find is they tend to go like this and stride and move forward coming through instead of popping the hips and going right through the ball. So when they do this drill, you let them get in position and you wait, and then you have them say hit. And what it forces them to do is spin and stay behind the ball in this form, instead of going forward, taking a big stride and going forward. It's just teaching you to pop the hips and get that bat in a position so it's here, perfect form, bat's out in front, everything else is behind the bat, and they're just popping the hips and getting it to the ball. It's a very good drill for getting guys to keep behind the ball. So the batter swings only when he hears hit, and he swings the bat as fast as he can, just popping the hips.